channel to watch the videos. Today, this is our first video for our new series. I want to start this talking about C++ application development using code blocks. It's based on this nice book. I should say this book, although it's more than 10 years from its written, but it's still quite interesting, especially the code blocks as the platform are still being refreshed and upgraded. So we can see the code blocks as our very strong and keep growth platform. So that's also the reason is I want to use this book as our the sequence, the reference, and to introduce the C++ application development information with you. This video is the first one with this within this series. Is let's do some opening and the introduction, and I will describe the logic of the series of these videos and the tools and the platform I will use, so you know is where to find the information when you watch along with these videos. And first of all, the GitHub. If you watch my other video series, you may find this. I have some other video talking about the C programming or C++ programming. I put all of them under this learn underscore CPP the library or the repository within my GitHub Yasin Star. The repository. So you can see that CPP underscore blogs as these books related things. And then the coding for the content. So I put our mind map file. So I have used this mind map tool for most of my video series. If you watch with other video, you may know that is developed by the free plan, our open source mind map tool. So within this book, there's 5 key the chapters, which I will use the different video try to describe the knowledge within those chapters one by one. Some video may cover multiple sub-chapters, some video may focus on one specific chapter, but I will show you all the detail from the samples in the book and describe the knowledge within this book. Also, the book has an appendix with some additional information which we can introduce to you. I will use the WeChat Read tool to demo the content of the book. So the content for those series is first also my expectation and the purpose that you may get from these videos. First, I want is to introduce to you how you can learn C++ programming from scratch. I don't think you need any the previously experience for CPP programming, but if you know certain the programming knowledge, and also if you use the CPP in other tool, it will be good base. Secondly, is I want you through these videos to familiar and starting to use code blocks as a tool. It's our IDE tool. So I believe if you use Visual Studio Code or some other the C compiler, I have another series using the Ahasi, which is our also interesting starting compiler for C. Developed by one Chinese the programmer, which different tool can support you, but you can try to evaluate which tool will be more fit in your needs. The third one is I want you to use these videos also together with me to examine the book because thanks for author Biplab Kumar Modak. This book originally was written in 2013, so now is year 2024. So after 11 years, I hope is most of the content are still referenceable. But if we found this, there's some new versions or some new replacement the libraries, we will use the video to introduce you what are the latest resources that you can use. So that also are one hands-on check to the knowledge points. The next one is I want you through the videos learning is you can gain experience for further C++ learning. Last but not least is I hope you do this learning by practicing. Try not copy paste the code. Try to type in the code from yourself. And also during the learning is let's not keep that as a boring experience. Let's keep fun. If you find is that there's some error happened, no worry. So debugging is also our interesting journey, and through the debugging is you may learn more from those programs without any error. So let's treat programming as our fun journey, not our just our study period. So that is the expectation I hope is you can get from these videos. And then let's talk about first is the why we use our code blocks as the tool. So and also why I use this book is because these six the key features. I hope is when we check the latest version of code blockers, you still feel the same or similar or more the advantage from the code blocks. First is a cross-platform integrated development environment. I will demo first in my Windows 11 PC, but I can add more videos is supporting the Linux as well. Multiple Linux distributions is support Mac OS. So that means is no matter which platform you are working on, you get code blocks on your platform by default. Secondly is the code blocks support GCC compiler and the GNU debugger. So you don't need to find or install the compiler debugger separately. You can we will test that together in next video. Is you can find that bundled with the code blocks when we install that. Next is code blocks is support numerous other compiler. And then these code blocks, we will introduce this in the appendixes. It can be a script. So if you want to further developing additional feature for code blocks, you can develop some scripts or you can make that extendable. Come with the multiple plugins coded by other contributors. So I will also introduce to you is how to join the code blocks forum so that you can have the communication with others. Next is code blocks is lightweight, and the last but not least is free and is open source. So that's also our big advantage so that you don't need to pay or you don't need to get commercial license for your learning the C++. So that is the primary features I hope is you can get from the code blocks. So within this mind map actually is on every subchapter is we already mentioned the 1.1 here. From next video is we will move into the further chapters and starting to do the hands-on practice altogether. I will use the code blocks as the IDE in the left, and we will use the right part of the video screen for this book. So if you have our hard copy of this book on hand, that will be perfect. Otherwise, you can also use the weread.qq.com to find out this book, or you can use any other type of the e-version for this book. So you can find the book name in my this repository. So if you come to learn CPP, you get these multiple subfolders. I'm also have the videos for some the CPP new and the CPP 3D and also some others learnings. So you can check my channel to get other videos if you like. And here is the CPP blogs. And within here, you can find the structure to the level 2 of this book. And then we will go through this from top to bottom, so no hurry. So I will mention all the tiny detail all together with you. And then this MindMap file is here. So the extension is .mm. So if you have the free plan, you can Google or you can search through search engine to get this free plan to download and install. Then you can, like me, to open this interactive version. Or I will do this regularly once we have more information added to this mind map to export that to our markdown file. So if you don't have the free plan installed in your PC, you can also get these contents, but it's not like the mind map, it's our markdown document structure, but you can get the necessary information once I have putting that in this content. So I suggest this if you want, you can fork this CPP, learn_CPP repository so that you can get the notification when I have some new information. If you got any questions, welcome. You can use this discussion board to raise your question, or if you want to contribute to any of my code, if you find some errors, give comments to my email box. So I put my email here, so you can click to give your question or comments by mail, or you can leave comments under the videos. So any ways, I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. So that is the this first video. In next video, we will move to 1.2, try to download and install the code blocks as the tool in my this Windows PC, and also you may get videos if we have other platforms can demo to you. So I hope you enjoy this video and be well prepared for this learning journey together with me. See you in the next video. Good luck.